Hello mga kabibig! Welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Nakakalungkot mang isipin kabibig pero inamin ni DPWH Secretary Manuel Bunuan na merong 5.9 ghost projects na kanilang ibinigay sa Wawao Builders, particularly sa Bulacan. Uy, grabe! 5.9 billion pesos ang ibinigay nila sa na pera. Ghost projects pala ito lahat. So ito ay gawa-gawang proyekto. Ang tanong, sino-sino ang mananagot? Sino-sino ang kadil? Ang kausap ng Wawao Builders? Grabe, shocking revelation ito kabibig. Pera yan ng taong bayan. Tayo ay nagbabayad ng tax tapos ilalampaso lang natin yung 5.9 billion. Hindi million na, billion. At ito ay puro ghost projects. Grabe. So ito kabibig ha, nagkaroon ngayon ng Senate hearing ang Blue Ribbon Committee sa chairman ni Secretary si Marcoleta. So manood tayo kabibig ko, ito ang daming
ghost projects.
Panoorin natin kung paano ginisa. Ito, kakadiri kayo. Binosisi ni Senate President Pro Tempore Jenggoy Estrada si DPWH Secretary Manuel Bunuan hinggil sa umano'y ghost project mga kabibig. Ghost projects, particular sa Kalumpit, Hagunoy at Malolos. Ayon kay Estrada, hawak umano ito ng Wawao Builders na nakakuha ng proyektong aabot mahigit 5 billion. Siguro inayos na nila para hindi malatang ghost project, sabi ni Estrada. Kinumpirma ni Bunuan na patuloy pang binibiripika ng DPWH ang ulat at aminadong may natatanggap na rin silang mga ulat ng ghost project sa iba't ibang bahagi ng bansa na kasalukuyan nilang iniimbestigahan. Naku po, grabe ito. Let's listen to this.
Ilan ang ghost projects ninyo dyan?
This is on the process of validation, Your Honor.
But do you still believe that there are ghost projects there? Or there were ghost projects?
In all candidness, Your Honor, I think so.
You think so?
Yes.
San yan?
Well, as I said, as I mentioned in my statement, there are district offices that we are trying to continue the validation of some of the projects, Your Honor. Let me just point out, Your Honor, that many of these projects also, many of the other projects that I have mentioned, some of these projects were also implemented in 2021, in 2021, 2022.
Sige. Kailan nyo pa nalaman na may mga ghost projects? Since you assumed office, Mr. Secretary? Or just lately?
Just lately, Your Honor, and unfortunately.
So ibig sabihin, when did you assume as Secretary? When President Marcos appointed you in 2022?
Yes,
all right. So you believe in 2022, 2023, 2024, walang ghost project?
Well, Your Honor, at the central office, we are relying actually on our project monitoring information that comes to us actually. Unless it's going to be validated actually and filled.
So you said siguro merong mga ghost projects. Who informed you na merong mga ghost projects?
Well, there are already informations that are coming up.
Yes. Who in particular informed you that there were or there are?
There are
ghost
people
projects
in the department actually that are.
And how do they know that na merong mga ghost projects?
Well, there are people actually who can actually certify, Your Honor, and these are the projects that we are now intensively validating actually.
Okay, my office received reports that there were ghost projects in the municipalities of Kalumpit, Malolos, and Hagonoy in the province of Bulacan. Can you confirm this?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's true.
Well, this is information that we have received, Your Honor.
And the contractor allegedly Wawao Builders. Correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
So, sa aking palagay, itong mga ghost projects na nabulgar na ngayon, siguro inaayos na nila. Tama? Para hindi malata na ghost.
And I don't think that they will have that capability anymore, Your Honor, because I think if these were ghost projects in the first place, they would not have delivered the time actually to do anything at this point in time. The records will show that if there is no project at all that was implemented and payment has been made.
All right. Magkano ang in-award dito sa Wawaw? Wawaw Builders.
I don't have the figure right now, Mr. Chair, but
Grabe
I think
naman.
it's predominantly.
Meron mga figures dyan. Huwag nyo kululukoyin dito. Yeah. Labas nyo kung magkano yung in-award nito sa Wawaw Builders. Mga ghost projects. Kadiri.
Mr. Chair.
Kadiri.
Well, I've just been given the tabulation. Wawaw Builders, 85 projects amounting to 5,971,000,000.
Ito bang, I'm not familiar, no? Ito bang Kalumpit, Malolos, Hagonoy falls under the first
Yes, Your Honor.
district? Huh?
Yes.
Alright.
Yes,
So magkano? Yung sa Wawaw?
5,971,811,600.
In Bulacan alone?
In Bulacan First Engineering District, Your Honor.
So ang ghost project lang na sinasabi mo, sa Bulacan lang.
Tama ang sinabi ni, Jinggoy, kadiri kayo. Meron naman kayong data dyan. Bakit hindi ibibigay? Tapos sasabihin pa din mo na, I don't have a data. Hala! Kung hindi pa naging matapang at parang nagalit si Jinggoy Estrada, hindi na ibibigay ang data. Uy, grabe sila na. Uy, mahiya naman kayo. Uy, mahiya kayo. So ito pa kabibig ha. Ito pa yung mga reaction na Jinggoy Estrada. Ito ha. Ito yung kay sino ito? Kay Marcoleta, ang kanyang reaction hinggil dito. Grabe. Ghost projects, 5.9 billion. Pera ng taong bayan. Kinurakot. Ito na. Ano tayo dito?
Mr. Secretary, doon sa 5-point-something billion, most of these are ghost projects, as you have admitted already.
Oh, I cannot say that most of it at this point in time, Your Honor, but I think
grabe
in this 5.9 billion pesos that is nandyan sa Wawaw Builders, there could be some.
Kasi sa Bulacan muna yung pinag-uusapan natin.
Yes, Your Honor.
So some of these projects are ghost projects.
Could be, Your Honor.
So that's convenient already. Some of these projects in Bulacan are ghost projects.
Mr. Chairman.
What happens with the performance bond? What do you do with the performance bond? Each project has a performance bond. Tama po?
Yes, Your Honor.
Aren't you supposed to confiscate the performance bond?
Well, if the project has lapsed actually for its warranty, Your Honor.
Hindi, as admitted, some of these projects are ghost projects.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you have to run after the performance bond.
Correct.
Yung insurance company, kailangan habulin natin.
Correct. Tama si Marcoleta, habulin. Diba? Tama si Marcoleta. Oh, tingnan nyo ngayon ang maraming namamatay sa bahaga sa aguhan nyo na fact check kayo kaya na booking ang mga pagnanakaw nyo. Lifestyle check yung mga iyan, ibalik sa kaba ng ninakaw ng pera. Grabe, 5.9? Naku. Bunuan umamin may ghost project sa 5.9 billion flood control deals with Wawaw Builders. Grabe mga kabigbig. This time parang na-shock ang mga netizen na ganito na palang nangyari ngayon. Di ba? Sinabi ni Jinggoy, kakadiri kayo. O sige, sino ba ang nagmamayari ng Wawaw Builders? So, search natin ha. Wawaw Builders. Sino ang who owns Wawaw? Kaya nag-search ako eh. Ito na. Ito Who owns, nag-search ako dyan, kung sino ang nagmamayari ng Wawaw Builders. Tingnan natin, baka meron tayong ma-search dyan, baka malaman natin. Yan o. Wawaw Builders. Click natin yung Wawaw Builders, mga kabibig, ha. Address nila, number 258 Rinaldo Street, Raymart Subdivision, Talansura, Quezon City. So, check natin. Uy! Nako, your site is not published. So, they deleted their website. Nako po, Wawaw Builders. They deleted their website, mga kabibig. Again, baka nagkamali tayo. Dito, deleted na ang website ng Wow Builders. Bakit natakot sila? Kasi na-booking ng mga ghost projects pala. So, who owns Wow? Kilalanin natin ang, ito. Sino-sino may-ari ng 15 contractor companies na pumaldo ng pondo ng flood control? Hanapin natin ang Wow. QM Builders kanina. Wow Builders. Sa SunWest, sino ito? Diyan. Wow Builders. Ang Wow Builders ay pagmamay-ari ni Mark Alan Arivalo. Habang isinod ang artikulong ito, kasalukuyang hindi na ma-access ang website na nasabing kumpanya. So it means, tama, nawala, dinilit yung website ng kampanya ng Wow Builders. Naku po, what is the meaning of this? Anong nangyari? Nako, so kabibig, talagang pera ng taong bayan ay niwaldas, kinurakot ng Wow Builders. Ang tanong, diba? Ang malaking tanong mga kabibig, paano nakalusot tong ghost projects? Paano? Diba? Daming nakawan kay BBM Paldo ang mga congressman. Oy, hindi pa sila nag-mention ng mga congressman. May nakawan na, may sahod pa, libre ang chicha. Wow, sarap ng merienda nila. Kaya binahayan kahit konting ulan, lang ikot tuloy. Ako nung may biyahe ako dyan. Imbestigahan at sasampulan na agad yan. Sangkot siyempre ang mga director dyan. Sabi ng mga nalis, tanggalin na yan sa Kongreso at Senador para wala masangkot na Congressman at Senador sa korupsyon. Huwag na po sanang pahabain o paulit-ulit ang deliberasyon dyan sa Senado. Alamin na natin na merong malalang kurakutan na nangyari. Unahin na yan, secretary na yan at mga tauhan niya. Sino ba may-ari ng Wow Builders? Binigyan na rin ang maraming nakuha project, kompletuhin na. Ibulgar na kung sino mga politikong sangkot dyan. Dapat, bulgal-bulgaran na para magkaalaman na. Diba kabibig? So ano ang yung reaction to kabibig? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video para sa mga trending news natin pag-usapan. Grabe! 5.9 billion ghost projects. So it means wala itong proyekto na ito pero nasa kamay ng tao, may-ari ng Wow Builder, itong bilyones ng perang ito. I'm sure may mga kasabwat yan. I'm sure may mga politikong kasabwat yan. Sana malaman natin. Yun ang kabibig. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye everyone. See you next time.